Hi. I am Yorick. I am here to tell you all about our KAPTIV-MD. The KAPTIV-MD is a zero-air loss drain designed for smaller compressed air systems up to 10 cubic meters per minute or 350 CFM. With an inlet connection height of only 74 mm, this is an incredibly compact solution with unrivaled installation versatility and reliability. Let me show you how it works. The KAPTIV-MD uses a capacitive level sensing sensor to measure the level of condensate in the reservoir. Our direct-acting valve design offers a true zero-air loss discharge cycle which has been proven to be more reliable than diaphragm-type valve assemblies. An integrated mesh filter protects the valve and offers a quick cleaning solution when servicing the drain. First of all, you may notice the aluminium reservoir that is specially coated. This allows the drain to be used in oil-lubricated and oil-free applications. Let's watch the condensate enter the drain's reservoir. When the condensate reaches the sensor level, a signal will be sent to the valve. The valve opens, allowing the condensate to be discharged. Once more, let's observe the condensate entering the drain. The condensate level reaches the sensor. A signal goes to the valve to open. And there it goes. The incorporated stainless steel mesh filter is a great feature, as it traps all larger particles. Watch the particles in the condensate getting trapped in the mesh filter. The main features of the KAPTIV-MD are max compressor capacity 10 cubic meters per minute or 350 CFM. Extremely compact and lightweight. Easy and quick serviceable valve. Integrated mesh filter. Robust aluminium housing. Side inlet adapter optionally available. Watch my other KAPTIV-MD movie in which I show you how to service the drain. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to your next order.